So whenever it comes to Boxcutter, our goal is to have the add-on be as responsive to the user as possible, down to the refresh rate of your monitor. So if you press Control K, you can bring up the Boxcutter preferences, and underneath display, one of the first options listed is your shader update FPS, where we'll attempt to update it at the rate that you have specified. Normally we have it defaulted to 60, which feels very smooth. However, in my case, I'm going to right click, bring up display settings in Windows in order to go to my advanced display settings. If we look at the graphic settings of my main monitor, we see that my refresh rate is 200 Hertz. So that means that I have a little bit of room to grow, and I could go in and set my refresh rate to something like 200, which more than likely won't make any difference in the video and the way that you're seeing it, but basically should assist Boxcutter with updating correctly and looking even better for my particular display. So just letting you know that depending on your refresh rate, you may also want to update Boxcutter to update the same way.